Move Earth just 1% closer to the sun, and every ocean on this planet starts to boil. Move it 1% farther, and the entire surface freezes solid. You are alive right now because this rock is floating in exactly the right spot in space, and nobody can fully explain why. Let that satisfy your ego for a second. Out of 8 planets in our solar system, only one sits in what scientists call the habitable zone, that narrow band around a star where temperatures allow liquid water to exist on the surface. Too close and you get Venus, a hellscape with surface temperatures hitting 470 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Too far and you get Mars, a frozen desert with an average temperature of -60 degrees Celsius. Earth sits 93 million miles from the sun, and that distance is not random, it is surgical. But here is where it gets controversial. Some scientists argue Earth is not even in the center of the habitable zone. We are actually closer to the inner edge. That means we are dancing dangerously near the point where a runaway greenhouse effect could turn us into Venus. Think about that every time someone says climate change is not a big deal. Now forget the sun for a moment, because location is only part of this story. Earth has a bodyguard, and its name is Jupiter. This gas giant is so massive, it acts like a gravitational vacuum cleaner, pulling asteroids and comets away from the inner solar system. Without Jupiter, the rate of catastrophic impacts on Earth would be up to 1,000 times higher. You probably would not be here without a planet you have never even visited. Still not impressed? Then consider the moon. Earth's axial tilt is 23.5 degrees, and that tilt gives us stable seasons. Without the moon, that tilt would wobble chaotically between 0 and 85 degrees. Imagine summer in Antarctica and winter at the equator in the same decade. Life as we know it could not adapt fast enough. The moon is not just beautiful. It is a stabilizer, keeping this planet livable. And then there is something invisible, saving your life every single second. Earth's magnetic field, generated by its molten iron core, deflects solar radiation and charged particles from the sun. Mars once had a magnetic field. When it lost that field, the solar wind stripped away its atmosphere. That is why Mars is a barren wasteland today. Earth's core is still active, still churning, still protecting, and we take it